Oh yeah, let me do a review of these shoes. Basically, these are Speed & Strains Run with the Bulls 5.0 shoes, riding shoes specifically. Now they are genuine leather, real leather and all that. Oh, they're worth the money. They're like, oh my god, I don't know if they still sell these, to be honest. I don't remember. They're worth it. They're okay, you know. Would I want to buy them again? Nah. And there's a lot of things I like about them, but there's some things I don't. There's one thing I don't like about them. Here's the things I like about them. They're more stiffer. They're more protective than an average shoe. You know, they're actual leather, so they're able to have some abrasion resistance. Your foot won't get messed up as being in a regular tennis shoe. You know, the regular shoes are not as good as these riding shoes when it comes to protection, protecting your feet in case of a crash or anything like that. However, are they really much more protective? Yeah, they can be. But maybe you should have thought about it, maybe. Yeah, now you done goof. Yeah, should have thought of it first. Oh, well, that's your fault. However, I would just recommend getting boots. Because, you know, these are just like your average shoe. It won't protect the... it will protect your feet, but it won't really protect your ankle that much, you know. So it won't protect your ankle all that much, but it will protect your feet more than a regular base shoe. However, there are some things that I really don't like about this shoe at all, and that will be that it just has laces. The laces can be dangerous because it can get caught on the shifter or whatever, and when you try to put your foot down, you're bringing your whole bike down with you, and so that's quite dangerous. Oh, another thing I really don't like about these shoes is that they won't last you a long time. They will last you like about an average shoe will. You know, this will last you up to like any other shoe will, like maybe like a year or so. Because mine's all torn up a little. And it can never use a replacement. Is it still useful? Yeah. Now, comfort. Yeah, these are actually just as comfy as a regular shoe. However, when you first walk in them, it feels really stiff, but then it gets like loosened up. I thought something was defective, but no, that's just how it is. When you first walk in them, you know, they'll just kind of like soften up a little bit. Oh my god. So don't worry about that. Now, I was just getting boots because they were actually protect your ankle much more better. Would I get these, like another pair of shoes? Would I get them again? Just to be honest, I'm not. Like, I'm gonna go something different. Like, I'm gonna get some boots. Because the bad thing about riding shoes, oh my god. Oh my god. The bad thing about shoes is that they don't protect your ankle that well. You know, your ankle's so exposed. Oh my god. Your ankle's so exposed. So more prone to be having ankle injuries on a bike, which is definitely something you don't want. The last thing you want is some head injuries or brain injuries, which is just, yeah, that's like any riding. Oh yeah, you definitely want to protect your ankles. Oh my god, that freeway was horrible. So you want to protect your ankles, or at least I do. Now, the reason when you go with boots is that they're just more protective, really. Now, they're harder to walk on, and they are harder to put on and take off. Like, with these shoes, I can just, like, just take them off, you know, easily. I don't need to undo the lights. Oh my god, I can't see. Hey, he has a zombie! Oh, great! Finally! I'm on a bright yellow bike, and I'm finally being seen. Like, he's like, turn signal. Oh, yellow bike. Oh. Haha. The first one since then. Finally. Anyways, so I'm planning to get some boots, actually. That does not have laces. And yes, I know, you don't have much of a comfort feature as getting like a shoe which is easily, you know, moving them and everything. But like, let's be honest here, I just want to protect my ankles. You know, there's some of you that just ride in your daily shoes. That's fine and all. Do what you want, you know, I'm just doing it for myself because I ride every single day. This is my only transportation. I don't have a car. No, I never owned a car. So yeah. Well, I hope you all like this video about these reviews of the shoes. Will I get them again? Nah, I'm trying to get some boots. Proper more pick up boots. And catch y'all later. Bye bye. Oh god. Just protect the feet more and everything. And the wear is just, you know, it's like that's a normal shoe really. It breaks in like a normal shoe. Oh my god. Oh my god, that hurts. What's hitting my leg? Twigs? Oh yeah, twigs. That's really bad. Oh my god, oh, that really hurts. I need some more, it's like, damn it. I can make a video about this.